Hello, welcome to another episode of Carrie L Cooks. Today we are going to make some basil salt. This recipe comes to us from Taste of Home, and if you're looking for a way to use up some end of the season basil, you've made all your pesto and you still have some basil left, this might be a good thing to try. So let's give it a try. So the recipe says you need equal parts of basil and salt. So I have some basil here that we got out of the Carrie L garden yesterday, so we'll see how much that makes. It's about 2 cups. Put that into our food processor. And to that, we are going to add 2 cups of salt. So when I get that all in the food processor, I'll be back. I forgot to mention that this recipe comes from Taste of Home. So I'm going to add my salt. And it says to blend it until it's thoroughly combined. So we'll see what happens here. I think that looks pretty good. All right. Okay, so I poured that out of the food processor and laid it on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. And then the directions indicate to bake at 225 for about 30 minutes. All right, so it's been about 30 minutes and I got this out of the oven, and you can see the salt is now very dry, almost feels like sand. And my house smells amazing, if you like the smell of basil, I guess. All right, I tried putting a little basil salt on this popcorn, so we'll see how it tastes. All right, here we go. That is very good. So, Taste of Home says that you can try this on fresh vegetables. Also, popcorn works, and I guess any other place where you might want to use salt. So, give it a try. Look forward to seeing you at our next Carrie L Garden Workday. And thanks for watching. Bye.